Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Audi A3 wipers, easy method. First, park on level ground and switch off the ignition for safety. Lift each wiper arm gently to a service position and secure it. Release the blade connector by pressing the tab and sliding the blade off. Align the new blade, click it into place, lower the arm slowly, and repeat for the other side. Finish by testing the wipers on low speed. Begin by identifying the blade connector type on your Audi A3 to know the removal method. Support the wiper arm with one hand to prevent it from snapping down. Depress the release tab or unhook the blade while gently sliding the old blade off the arm connector. Handle the blade carefully to avoid cutting fingers on metal edges. Keep the arm raised until the new blade is fully installed to prevent glass damage. Start by comparing the new blade length and connector to the original to ensure a correct fit. Align the new blade with the hook or pin and slide it into the wiper arm connector until you hear a secure click. Give the blade a firm but gentle tug to confirm it is locked in place. Carefully lower the wiper arm back onto the windshield, ensuring it rests evenly and without gaps along the glass.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.